12 Days of Slay. Days of Slay. I'm excited to do lashes. Okay, these are called J Lash, no glue needed. Okay, the first step to slaying your lashes is to grab a mirror, a spoolie, and I'm just gonna brush them up. Okay, brush them up. Zigzag through them like you would if you were putting on mascara. Oh, you know what I'm going to watch? I'm going to watch Girlfriends. That's what I want to watch. Girlfriends. I want to watch from, do I want to watch from the beginning? I didn't pay my Netflix. Sometimes they like let you go, and then eventually it's that one last time that they say, no, you can't do it. Oh yeah. I don't even have my Christmas stuff showing y'all. Hold on. See, there she go. Let me put it up a little bit. Yeah. There she go. The little Christmas. I need to be showing it in the background. So the next step is we're curling the lash. Even if you don't have a lot of lash like me, you still curl it.
Okay, can I say this? Yeah, I would love to take a detailed message. I really would. But then there'd be no need for our expensive voicemail system. Right.
Oh my God, Maya was one of the funniest ones for real.
Hey, Joe. Any messages? Happy birthday, girl. You shouldn't have. Oh, it's no problem with the light hand change. I would have gotten you some oranges too.
Of course, I'm not gonna be able to play that song in this video, so I'm gonna have to like put some beat or something over it.
Sorry, I can't make it to your birthday party tonight. Michelle and I got back together. Happy birthday from both of us. No, you're gonna be the only one at your party who ain't got no man. You intend to fix your dilemma. I'm just gonna keep on praying for that Denzel knockoff. You know, you professional women are so sedated. I'm sure there are plenty of good men right in the universe.
First of all, that's how they do feel. Like, oh, you're professional. That's why you're, you know, like when you rank up in the tax bracket, that your options for love become few. And there may be some truth to that, but I just feel like, if you are making as much as your man or more, I do feel like there becomes a enviable stare in actions at times. I do. Gotta be careful. Ooh, right, look at them.
Sister, the Lord makes house calls.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top row and I'm gonna put those on the outer, smaller ones down here in the corner.
You're kicking me out in the middle of my anthropology final.
Okay.
I took anthropology.
William, just say happy birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So, you're not supposed to know anything until the parties tell you personally, agree?
You're bringing Charles? If you're okay with it.
He might come by later if he ever wakes up.
Here I come. And walk. And turn. And smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
Okay, so that's looking cute, right? But they look cute. I like that they go under the lash line, you know? Now, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in some more. Just a little bit more volume, okay? These are really cute. I'm actually, as I get older, I'm starting to like the little bit more of the natural lashes.
What? Why are you looking at me?
Well, apparently they didn't teach you that a sentence must have a verb.
Well, you know, I did learn that kiss is both a verb and a noun. So how about you give my ass a kiss or kiss my ass?
You just got a grammar lesson. William, you are a date in name only, not in deed.
I got a worse one for you. Your best friend and your ex in bed together laughing at you. Look, I'm just trying to keep you from looking like a chump.
Ex? Who's your ex?
Charles.
Oh, hell no. She's not dating your man. Ex. Maya. Black women don't do that to me like I'm wearing blue eyeshadow. Wrong.
That's wrong? Excuse me, I gotta call my mother.
Maya, I don't mind.
No, you know what, y'all, this is not right. Okay, no, they say if you have sex with someone, it's like you're having sex with everyone they had sex with. She sexes your man, it's like she's having sex with you.
We're all consenting adults.
You nasty!
Thanks, my Tony's in your wallet.
That's that.
Real boyfriend, hell, I still go shopping with his mom. You are so foul, just taking up the joint. Why I gotta be low rent, Tony? You know, if you weren't Jones, girl, I'd put my foot up your ass.
Do not let this Prada fool you.
Well, bring it on, you gold digging, money worshiping skink.
Right, it's over.
Did you hear me? Go, get out.
I hate to do this, but I'm gonna do it with my fingers. How much trouble I'm having with them. I feel like these ones not gonna last like the kiss.
I think they tried.
Ooh, Charles.
Oh, you haven't seen anything yet, baby.
Stop.
Relax.
No, you can't suck her toes in mine, too. I can't. I can't hurt the only woman in the world who puts up with me.
All right, but if I walk out that door, I'll do it.
Honey, that's the idea.
All right, y'all. Okay, we're done with the lashes. They look pretty good. Really, I did struggle because that glue sticky on here, but then when I would put another lash on, another one would come off. But my initial review is I do not like how it started out. I would put some bonding glue on them just to make sure they stay, but I'm going to test them out how they last through tonight for tomorrow's Vlogmas. But I kind of like them. I think that they actually have a little bit more length than the kiss lashes that I wore just recently. So I'm not mad at them. But the only thing I think is different is that they're a bit thinner. I think the kiss ones have a thicker volume, but these ones you have to fill in a little bit more. Like once you put them all on under the lash line, you do have to fill them in with a couple extra. But to tell you the truth, I still like them. Because usually a glueless lash will last for at least 24 hours. So that's what I'm expecting with these. And we're going to see how they do. Ooh. Not mad at all. I'm not even going to put mascara on them. I'm going to leave them alone. So I'm going to test them out for the night, sleep in them, see how they look for tomorrow. And so that means that tomorrow at 1:50 p.m., they should still be looking good on my eyes. Hopefully. But let's see if I'm going to have to take them off though. Okay. I should have did this review for TikTok as well. Pretty good. I like them. I was going to put mascara too, but I just want to keep them just regular, natural. I don't want mascara just like later at the night falling down my eye. When I wash my face, I don't feel like having all that. But they do look pretty good. Not going to lie. They look pretty good. Do I need to put any more on the end? I feel like on the end, let me see. Okay. I just wanted one little one on the end just to kind of like match over here, you know? Happy my lashes are done, my nails are done. I just need to kind of maintenance the unit and I'm good to go. Now I'm about to finish doing some extra editing in my thumbnail. And then this evening I'm going to go do some more Christmas shopping. All right, I'm gonna finish watching Girlfriends as I edit, like I said, and I'm gonna do a thumbnail. And yeah, this is a day that just kind of low key, y'all. All right, y'all. Done with the, well, last time y'all saw me, I was doing lashes, okay? Okay, so anyway, y'all, I went to Little Shisha's and got me these crazy pillows. I haven't had these in a minute. Sometime I put this on here. Oh, dang, it's falling on here. But no, we're going to do the ranch sauce with it. But look how good they look in there, nice and hot. My baby girl already tried her. They had a nice little cheese pull to them. I like these. The pepperoni ones are good too. But I feel like the cheese ones, all cheese, are the best. And this is what my baby girl got. She got some too. She big backed one of those. They had a good cheese pull though. When she showed up, I was like, yes. And then this is some hot wings. No, we wasn't going there for no pizza. We was like, we want some of the sides. All right. I really got my baby girl said that this ranch sauce is not that good. So I went and got some of this out of, y'all know I went to Jack in the Box last night. So I just used my other ranch from them. Girl, we about to tear these up right now. Let me see how that tastes. Here, so you can put that one in. All right, I'm gonna save some for my baby girls. Let me see. Grease. Hey, this one's still greasy. Got it with the little. Ooh. Okay.
You gotta get to the middle, see?
That middle part.
Mozzarella and cheddar.
Ooh, that thing was good. But now, here, you need to try this ranch. You don't want to try this ranch?
With this?
Let's see. It's all right.
That's like fry ranch.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit leaning towards salad ranch, but it's like fry ranch.
Yeah, yeah. These are good.
Their ranch is actually pretty good. The wings aren't though. So
she don't like the wings, y'all. She said, "Don't get the wings. The hot wings ain't that good." I'm about that enthused about them right now. They used to be so good to me. Take me through there. I ain't doing too much today. That's why I'm trying to actually sit here and eat with y'all, because I'm definitely not doing nothing else after this. That little hard part,
good.
It go good with that softer part.
Actually, it's good. Like I said, just need to be fresh. Guys, it's 41 in California. Save us.
35 last night or 39?
I feel like
It was so cold.
And the soup didn't warm me up as much as I thought, but I didn't drink that much broth.
That's actually smart to go to a place that serves soup, because it was too cold. What the place I went to last night, what's it called? I was telling them. They went to a place called Shibuya.
And it is, in fact, by Barnes & Noble. So, I literally could... I'll give you my thoughts. Because it's soup, you don't want to eat all you can eat.
When she was telling me about it, I do want to try it, though, so we might go there. But anyway, they about to go walk the puppity pups. I'm tired, but I still got a lot of editing to do. I'm not going to film anymore for the night. Hope y'all like this 12 days of slay. I slay the lashes, but let's see how long they slay for, okay? Because I do like them, but like I said, I told y'all the difference between the Kiss ones I had on earlier and these ones. So we'll see how they look in the morning.
Yourself.